How to connect Family Hub refrigerators to the SmartThings app for iOS. Before starting, make sure the Family Hub and your iOS device are both connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Navigate to and open the SmartThings app on your device. On the Devices tab, tap Add, the plus sign, in the top right. Under Samsung Devices, tap Add. Swipe to and tap Refrigerator. You will be prompted to scan the QR code located on the refrigerator or its packaging. If you can't locate the QR code, tap Add without QR code. And then follow the instructions. The SmartThings app will begin searching for the refrigerator. If you can't find your device in the list, tap Can't Find Your Device at the bottom. Tap Samsung. And then tap Family Hub. The connection process will begin. Make sure your phone is near your Family Hub. On your Family Hub, navigate to Settings. Then tap Connections. And then tap Easy Connection. Tap Connect. If prompted, tap OK on the pop-up. Note: if the Connections option doesn't appear in the Settings menu, look for Easy Connection instead. Next, navigate to and open your phone's settings, and then tap Wi-Fi. Select the network that starts with refrigerator, fridge, Samsung Family Hub E5. Enter 5 ones, 5 twos, and then tap Join. Navigate back to the SmartThings app. Enter the PIN shown on your Family Hub, and then tap Done. If needed, tap Close on the Easy Connection screen. You will be prompted to select a Wi-Fi network. Enter the password if needed, and then tap Connect. Once connected to the network, the Family Hub will register to SmartThings. The SmartThings app will prompt you when the connection is successful. You can choose the Family Hub's location and room, as well as its name. When you are finished, tap Done.